Xiaomi has shared promotional photos of the entire Xiaomi 17 lineup, giving us a clear look at all design changes. The series will include the Xiaomi 17, Xiaomi 17 Pro and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, all set to go official on tomorrow in China. The standard Xiaomi 17 appears in 4 color variants, all the phones powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It is said to have a compact form factor with a 6.32-inch flat display with narrow bezels on all sides. The phone has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. It will run on the upcoming HyperOS 3.0 UI, which is likely to be overlaid on Android 16 OS. A 50MP main camera using an OmniVision sensor, a 50MP ultrawide, and a 50MP telephoto camera using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor. For selfies, there's a 32MP shooter. Xiaomi 17 is tipped to pack a massive 7000 mAh battery paired with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.